We are going to do inaugural street art installation. We're going to take the mother sculpture to Clarion Alley and cut into it and make a spore. Yeah, I don't know what's going to happen, so let's do it. Ladder. The car is very stuffed full of sculpture. Oh, and there is a push down here. Dope. Dope, 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 dope. Okay. I have no idea what I'm doing because I haven't done this before. I guess I need a piece, let's say like a long ass piece. Okay. Oh god. Okay, here we go. Just do it. That's what this thing was made for. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry that I'm chopping you up. Definitely should have a razor blade. Alright, now if I cut here. Oh, poor thing, I'm sorry. Come out! Oh! Yes. Okay.
Wow, this is awesome.
Go fall. Go fall thing. Sure, that works.
Is it attached?
Sort of. Attach it down here first. All the glue.
How long have you been around here? The
10
Bay?
years.
10 years?
10 years.
Are you getting antsy?
No, not at all. Everyone seems to want to leave except for me. I love it here. I never want to leave. Alright, I need to move my ladder. Oh hey, that's not bad.
Pretty good.
Attach it way more than it is. It's really like, there goes the glue. I just want to rotate it like here. I cannot lift the ladder. This is why I have Steve's assistance human. That's good. I think so. Where did I put the glue? I know, right? Alright. Let's go some shit to some other shit.
It's art.
Oh, so that's the sort of mother sculpture that I keep building in the studio.
Okay.
And then I cut it into pieces and attach it like as spores.
Okay, because I see like a party hat in there and.
Yeah, it's all found paper,
Oh, it's all there.
magazines, and
Uh-huh.
yeah, just random paper crap.
That's probably like the most efficient way to reuse this. Watching how all the recycling is going in dumps and landfills now. And this is like 100 times more beautiful than anything a city could do with this.
Thank you. We'll see how long it lasts up here. It's a plant. There's a whole bowl of them. Alright, I need to pour water and make band-aids.
Glue just dripped off of it. That's great. So what's the longest process? Just sort of like curing with the water?
The process is going to be making the like bridge pieces, which are like smaller and are going to help make it more stable.
Car.
Well, I don't know what you want, bro. I'm not moving.
Oh, there's room.
Don't spill this entire bottle of blue water all over your face.
Are you from the critique group or just a random person? No, they're mutually exclusive.
He does a projection art, a projection shooter.
Oh, nice.
Don't drop anything on me while I'm getting these. Tell your body.
Your body, don't knock shit off the ladder right
Don't
there.
knock the tray of glue water on his head.
Okay, these I'm going to dump into this pocket. And then pop.
Shit,
Get loud noise.
Oh, Jesus.
Uh-huh. Oh, thank you. Hi, tiny camera. Recording? Yeah. You can have the upstairs view.
Sorry, you narrated.
But you can talk. This is not a very formal process.
Oh, I should.
I really should use an X-Acto knife.
Wow, I didn't realize how rigid it got with the glue.
Slightly bigger than I thought, but that's alright. Got my thing, I got my glue. No, I can't hear it if the door is closed. Thank you, Spenley.
I need to charge soon, though.
This jerk is trying to tell me I can't drop nothing. I've dropped the glue, all the clamps, paper. Thankfully I haven't dropped the bucket of glue water yet. It's funny, at home I have to wait for it to dry a lot more.
Uh-huh.
But it's so sunny and so hot the glue dries way faster.
Oh, that's convenient.
In the back. Hello, doggle. We're headed out. There's a sculpture back there. And now I'm feeling very possessive. Which I think is probably normal. Whatever. whatever. But I have lots of pictures of it, so. Man, that was harder than I was expecting it to be. And also, it didn't take as long as I was expecting it to, but it also was harder. We stopped to get ice cream at Buy Right, and I am waiting in the car because my legs hurt. And I have all these mixed emotions, like, I shouldn't have left it there. It's all delicate and on its own. And also, like, I'm excited to see how long it lasts. Like, it's an interesting thing because it feels more precarious now that it's done, whereas the work usually feels precarious, like, in the middle of its making. So I guess it's still in the making process. It's just that I'm not there making it. It's making itself. The weather and the humans who decide what they are going to do to it. And yeah. We were also talking, like, it blends in a way because it's in a street art alley, and I chose that place because I knew it was legal and it felt like a safe sort of like place to start, but also it really blends in. Like, it's I've said this before about the sculptures or about the mother sculpture when I was at home, but it really resists your eye. There's so much pattern and there's so much movement in the surface that it's really hard to figure out what you're looking at. Even for me, and I made it. It feels scary. I feel protective and possessive, and like I spent it only took me 3.5 hours to install, but it took like over a month at least to build. And I don't think the next one will take as long because I sort of know what I'm doing. But yeah, it's a scary thing. Cutting the mother, wow. On the one hand, I felt like so scared and felt like so bad for it in a very animate way, but then also like very liberated to just like take a knife to this thing that I had spent so long making. And yeah, make these very imprecise just like cuts. So yeah, I don't know how I feel about it. I don't know if I'll do it again. I think I should. The work is so emotionally alive to me right now that I clearly need to make more, and you need to do it more. But yeah, that's where my brain's at right now. We'll see where my brain is at tomorrow. I'm thinking I'm gonna go visit it tonight, and see it sort of in the golden light of sunset. But it's 2 p.m. right now and it's hot as fuck. By which I mean it's 72 degrees and sunny. But yeah. So many emotions. Hello! Third try is the charm. For some reason, tiny camera was crashing. I think it was the SD card. Anyways, it's now 9 p.m. I just spent half an hour dumping footage from a bunch of different days, but mostly today, and organizing everything so that it can get edited tomorrow or the next day or whatever. I have 5 or 6 days of queued up videos, so no rush, self. But I just wanted to say I feel so much better about the piece now. I invited people from the new media critique group, and someone came after I was done installing, and they sent me this image, and it's not like, you know, it's very similar to a lot of the photographs I took of it and that, but it wasn't that so much as like seeing it through another person's lens and having it sort of exist in someone else's life without my presence, and seeing that it was still there after I had left it. And you know, I think tomorrow morning I'm gonna go on my fake commute. I'm gonna ride down there first thing in the morning just to see how it looks, how it survived their night, and maybe take lots more documentation in different lighting because we were in really harsh lighting today, but that's okay. But yeah, I feel much more sort of like full circle about the piece now than I did a few hours ago. Just having seen it through someone else, so yeah, it feels great. I feel really proud of that shit. It was about 3.5 hours today, but of course months of work went into that. Or a month of work, somewhere in there. I would have to look back through the Amnesia Diaries videos to figure out exactly how much, but now I'm rambling. So, yeah, good job. Real proud of you. Okay, good night.